Okay, this is another quick recap, daily recap. So yesterday we exited this trade here. What we did see yesterday was a long candle here. It was a great big blue candle. But after I closed the program down and reloaded it, it was actually just a smaller candle. So there must have been this one little blip of information on close of business on Friday, and then over the weekend there was no trading, and then on Monday it started, and I didn't close down the software the whole weekend. So when it traded up here for the first time on Monday, it showed it as a great big candle, but when I closed and reloaded, it's actually just showing it as just a smaller candle. So that gives us a little bit different information of how we can trade this next part. So it still closed out this first trade as it normally would have, so no issues. But what we do see is, because it's a smaller candle, then this last candle here is lower. That gives us a new low. So it does give us a little bit of different information. So with this low, then the price came up, then up, then up. Now from here, we've got this. Let me grab that one. This is our low, and just before that, we had this blue candle here, which gave us the high. So that green line is the high of this blue. So it comes down and then breaks it, meaning if the price comes down here to this yellow circle, 10 pips below that, we're going to enter a trade as a sell. So if it does that, we'll get in. So the price comes up, 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 down. So that's actually our first down candle. Now, if the price comes lower, or actually right now, because it's already a down candle, if the price comes up higher and breaks this high here, then we'll move our stop up, or not our stop, our entry up. But if it comes down and hits our entry, then we'll be in a trade. So we'll see what happens. Comes down. So same thing applies. If it comes up and breaks this previous high, we'll move up our entry. Same thing again. Still hasn't had our entry, and it hasn't broken the high. So we're just waiting there. It's hit our entry. So we're now in a sell trade, and our stop loss goes above the previous high, which is there. And how far above? 10 pips, which is where this red line is here. So we've got our stop loss in place. We're in a trade, and then we just wait to see what happens. Price comes down and makes a great big wick. Oh, then down further, and then down further. Then ever so slightly down, then up, up, up. Now, if the price comes down and breaks this low, we will move our stop down 10 pips above the high. So there is our high. There's our high. So if the price comes up, we don't do anything. If the price comes down, we move our stop. And that's where the market currently is. So we're just waiting to see if the price comes down to break this previous low, which allows us to move our stop loss down. And that's where we are.